Hey, what's up guys? Old Man here. Welcome to another close-up and on-feet sneaker review. This is how you do collaborations. Let's take a close look at the social status, Nike free lunch in the chocolate and strawberry milk colorways. There are probably only a few warranted hype releases this year. I get that with the current culture, Travis Scott will always be up there. But I think the Bad Bunny forums, Oldmansneaks trees, and the social status free lunch collaborations are way better than the Travis Scott fragment collaboration. I feel that those are just lazy. I didn't catch a W on the TS frags, by the way, and I'm not salty about it. Also not going to pay resale on those. And if I did get the W on them, I'd probably just trade them for a few Union 4s. Let's get back to these sneakers though. You can immediately see the storytelling and effort put on these. From the box design and the details around the sneakers, these sneakers are just so beautiful, you almost don't want to wear them. The box is designed to look like a cereal box with content information on the side and directional arrows on how to open. On the shoes themselves, the tongue label was designed to look like a lunch ticket, while in the lining you'll see a sell-by date stamp. The list of ingredients are then listed on the heel area. All design elements work really well together. Very nice touch. The material composition on both versions are the same, with the obvious differences to color and placement. It's a combination of velour and, from what I can feel, a very soft nubuck. The chocolate milk, which was released first, has a different color combination of different brown tones, cream or beige with light blue outsole, while the strawberry milk is composed of different tones of pink, cream, and brown outsole. The materials are placed differently on both of them. The base on the chocolate milk is velour with the toe strap as nubuck, while the strawberry milk is inverse. The base is nubuck with the toe strap as velour. Both heel strap are in nubuck. The swoosh is made of a gel-like material and are also different on both pairs. The chocolate milk has a pink colored swoosh, while the strawberry milk is transparent with some marbling. The strawberry milk is definitely the better looking of the two, but I know that it's all subjective and some will find the chocolate milk better. But availability wise, there seems to be more chocolate pairs produced than the strawberry one. At least that's what the resale on them indicates. Overall, this is a very well executed collaboration. It's definitely in the sneaker of the year conversation. I know some people has already stuck the Oldmansneaks trees on the top, but this is very close or possibly close to beating that. Go get them. Whether you'll wear them or collect them, these are a must-have. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video, and follow me on Instagram.